Hi, this is Bree, and my son Aiden is here today with me. He likes to be in my unboxing videos. Today we will be unboxing an Ipsy bag. This is actually the January one from January 2020, but I was able to get it, so I thought I would share with y'all what it was like. It came in like this.
Very shiny.
It is very shiny. I got a bubble up pill pad. This says it's easy to use, disposable dual side pad. It has 5 pads and it exfoliates the skin to give it a brightening appearance. It's by Hanhoo. And gives the directions in the back there. It says it is paraben free, sulfate free, and fragrance free. And then I also got this bag. I think it's really cute. This is the reason that I actually got the January one, was because I really like this bag. The marbled look of it is really cute. So let's see what's inside of it. So the first thing I see is a little keychain, and it says Ipsy on it. And has that little bit of a marbled kind of look on it, like a stone. It's really cute. You can put it on a bag. The next thing I see is inside of here. It is Realher. You can see it. This is an eyeshadow. It is called Victorious. It looks really pretty. Let's see if we can swatch it and see what it looks like. It's actually really a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. You can see it's right there. See, it's lighter than I thought it was going to be. But it has a really pretty shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see in the lighting, but it's got a pretty shimmer to it. So I really do like that. I think it would be a good eyeshadow. We also got this by H2O Beauty. It is Oasis Ultra Hydration Cream. It's a water gel cream moisturizer, clinically proven to immediately boost hydration, which is good because if anybody knows my face, I use lots to hydrate it because I have very dry skin. It says just massage it gently onto the face and neck. Use day and night, and when weather conditions leave skin feeling dehydrated. So it's a small version, but I think I will definitely use it. And we got this. It's Defy and Inspire. It's only at Target apparently, and it's called Pink Swear, and it is a wear-resistant nail lacquer. And there's a better image of it. It's a very light pink, like a girly girl pink color. Beauty is our responsibility. Defy the ordinary, inspire the extraordinary. And so I will definitely be trying this. It's cruelty free, Leaping Bunny approved. Yes, Aiden, Leaping Bunny approved.
That sounds so weird.
And I have one last thing in here. It is Hanhoo Lip Balm by Beauty For Real. So this is what it looks like. It says Brooke on the other side. So let's see if I can get it undone quickly so we can look at it. Ooh, I like how it opens up. It is a little dark for what I usually go for, but we'll see. Well, it doesn't look as bad once you swatch it. I usually, if you can tell, go for the really girly shimmer looks. So, really light pinks. But it would be worth trying sometimes, that one. It's not too bad.
This is shiny on the back.
It is shiny on the back. So, that was it. That was in the January bag. Again, I like the bag. It's really cute. So it was definitely, I feel, worth it because we got it at a good price because I do get the Ipsy boxes. I should be getting one hopefully in the next couple of weeks to be able to give you the May one. I want to again thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and
give us a big thumbs up.
all right, thanks.
Bye.